Welcome! In front of me I have Hama Fit Watch 5000 and I'm gonna show you how to turn off this watch. To turn off this watch we need to wake up the screen on it by pressing the side button. Then press the side button again to open the menu. Now we need to scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon, my bad. I tapped on the icon by mistake. But we need to find the settings icon in the menu, tap on it, and here we need to scroll down, find the option called General, tap on it, and then find the option called Power Off, select it, and then tap on the checkmark to confirm, and the watch will turn off. And that's how you turn off this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.